car. Pink watermelon car. I am a green car. I'm a kiwi car. Green car. Kiwi. Hello. Orange car. I'm an orange car. I'm an ice cream minivan. Ice cream, pink ice cream minivan. Hello, I am a pink minivan and I'm a cupcake minivan. Cupcake. Do 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 do. I'm a fancy van. I am a popsicle van. Popsicle. Yummy yum yum. Popsicle minivan. Vroom, vroom. It's gonna be a race between these 4 minivans. Who makes the best time? Go, you go first. 1, 2, 3, go. Follow the street. And back. Good job. Finished. Next one. And I'm finished too. Whee! 2 finished, 2 more to go. Start again. I'm done too. Good job. And the last one. All done. Who was the best? You've got 5 seconds, yay! You've got 6 seconds, yay! 4 seconds, yay! And 7 seconds, yay! I'm the best, I'm 4 seconds, the best, I'm the best, I'm the best time. But all my colleagues were so good. Congratulations, you guys. Thank you. Next race, the watermelon car, the little blue car, orange car, and green car. Okay, little cars, go race now. Me first. Okay. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Not so fast. All done. You next. Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. All done. Blue car. I'm all done. And the last one is the little watermelon car. Vroom, 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 vroom. All done. Who's the winner? You are the winner. You are the best. Yay! Little orange car, little orange car. But thanks to all my friends. You're very welcome. Good job, cars. Now, we have to go to the parking. It's right over there, parking. Okay, who goes first? Let the small cars go first. And we will take this back road. Okay. Oh, what is this? I see somebody wanting to cross the street. Stop sign for you. We are stopping. Okay, little ducks, go cross. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Oh, there's more. Quack, 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 quack. Another one. Quack, 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 quack. 3 little ducks. Okay, you can go now. And go to the parking. I'm parked over there. Next one. I'm going next. Nobody crosses the street now, so I can go. And go to park over here. 2 cars parked. The blue car goes. No one crosses the street. Oops. I can go. There we go. Parking over here. Watermelon car. Nobody crosses. Let's go. There we go. Parked. And the minivans have to go too. Stop. Oh, somebody else wants to cross the street. I'm stopping. Who wants to cross the street? Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Oh, a little froggy. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Okay, there you go, little froggy. All across the street. Take away the stop sign and keep going. There we go. Parking here. And the rest of the vans. All of them. Pushy push. Let's push the first one. Make like a little train. We have to turn. First one turns, second one turns, and third one. Another turn. Parked. Second one. And parked. And I'm the last one. And parked. Good job, guys. Good job. Everybody happy, little duckies? Yes, we're happy. Thank you for letting us cross the street. You're very welcome. Look at us, we're having fun. I can see that. Little froggy riding the van. Having fun. Parking here. And you, little ducky. Quack, 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 quack. I like this little car. And this orange one. Quack, quack, quack. Riding an orange car. Oops, sorry, little doggy. Go back. There. And one more. Me too, me too. There we go. Bye guys, have fun. Bye bye.
For more videos, go to our channel and subscribe.